Yo, what up, homies? It's your boy, Chetty. And today, this is how I do my turkey and egg breakfast sandwich. Let's go. Oh, that way. All right. First, get some brioche. Nice brioche bun. Sesame seed, I prefer. I'm going to grab 2 eggs. I like to use the extra large eggs. You just get more egg from your egg. You know? All right, so crack them shits right into the bowl. Just make sure you crack them nice. Don't get the shell in that shit. You're going to whisk it up. Make sure when you're whisking it, you're hitting the bowl. That's how you know you're actually breaking up the egg. All right? You're going to put some of them spices, some of that salt and pepper. This is for the homies right there. Homies love that salt and pepper. Don't let them down, right? You know what I'm saying? A little bit more whiskey action. And then we're going to grab some of that crafty. You know them crafty ones? The ones in the plastic? The ones in the plastic, like in the plastic. And then just grab any type of meat you like. I'm going to use turkey today. Just sandwich meat, whatever you got, and then grab some of that Sriracha and Tbs Mayo. That's the good shit right there. That's going to go in the bun later. Thumbs up. Can't forget the butter. Got some of that basil action. Just a little bit, like a tablespoon. Just cut off like that. You're going to get your pan hot. Get the butter in there and just melt it up. Just kind of swirl it around until it gets all melty. All right? Doesn't take that long. Pan's hot. A little bit more of the egg breaking action. Just pour it right into the hot pan, all right? Now you want to just move the eggs around the hot pan. Get some of that, your Betty Crocker dollar store spatula, and just move the egg so the top of the egg comes off the egg into the pan and gets nice and cooked. You know, you want to cook the egg. You don't want a raw egg. What is this, Rocky? Come on now. All right. Quit playing with the egg, all right, man? Okay, there we go. Oh. Damn. Okay. Got that flip action. You got to kill the heat, all right? Kill the heat now because the egg, you don't want to overcook it. You're going to throw that turkey into the pan. I'm just going to get it warm. It doesn't take too long. That shit's so thin. You've seen that, at the grocery store. That's like $1 for a pack. That's what it is, right? You want to fold the egg now because you can't put a giant egg on that bun, right? It's just going to be way too crazy. Get that crafty right on top of the egg. And just flip the meat. You want to make sure the meat gets on both sides, even though it's super thin. And don't use your hands, all right? I got no feelings left, so I'll be all right. So just let it sit now. I'm just gonna let it do. You already killed the heat, all right? Get it together, right, man? All right, okay, grab your bun. Smells nice, yeah. All right, there it is right there. Nice and shiny brioche. All right, start with the sriracha, both sides. You wanna get that nice spice in there. Hit it with that Kewpie, that Japanese mayo. That's the good shit right there, both sides as well. All right, boom, grab your shit right there. First, you're gonna put the turkey on the bottom, all right? Again, don't use your hands if you can't. You're gonna burn your shit. You're gonna regret it later, right? All right, perfect. Now you can grab that egg. Try to grab it anyway. There you go. All right, just put it on the top of the turkey. Boom. That's it. Cover it with the lid. That's it, man. Look how easy that was. Boom. Yeah, point at it. Look at that. Ooh, cheesy. Nice. Okay. What are you gonna eat it yet? Yeah. Come on, eat it, man. What are you doing? Are you blowing on it? Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, I had to get my face in there. That's what I was doing. All right, look at that. Yeah. Why are you pointing at it? Yeah, fix the glasses. Quick. We can see the sandwich. You don't have to point at it. All right. Look at that. You give me a kiss? Okay, whatever that was. Okay, enough with the point. Oh, there it is. Oh, right? Yeah. What are you doing? Now, why are you pointing at me for? Oh, yeah. See? It's good, right? Dudes, love you guys. Peace. All right, guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. More subscribers, more likes. You know, the more I can get paid. You know what I'm saying? And if you like it, make sure you share it with your friends. Leave some DMs on the below there. I'll try to respond the best I can. All right? Look at this guy. And try to avoid putting more sriracha on the sandwich. I learned my lesson the hard way afterwards. It was pretty spicy, but I'm okay. I was okay after that. But you will see why I was no longer okay in about a couple seconds here after I shoved this thing in my mouth. What are you eating so slow for, man? Yeah, fix your glasses. You need to get some of the Horace Grant straps on your glasses. What's going on here? All right, finish the sandwich, right? This is a good sandwich. Easy, any day, weekday, weekend, morning, breakfast sandwich. You can use any meat you want. I just used turkey. That's what I had, all right? See, this is why I messed my shit up, all right? It's hot, man. It's hot. See, I told you.